Hello, in front of me I've got Realme smartphone. In this video I'll show you how to reset it. To reset any Realme smartphone, let's go to Settings, and go to System. Find Backup and Reset, Reset Phone, and now you can reset network and Bluetooth settings, all settings, or erase all data. This function resets smartphone to factory defaults. You can also reset smartphone via Fastboot menu. In order to access it, turn off the smartphone, and while turning on, press and hold volume up and power button. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.